Welcome back to my channel, Savor with Neil, where we create experiences and things that we'd actually savor. So for today, it's pretty cold outside here in Toronto, Canada, and there's lots of snow. So why not make a soup that's very hearty to the soul, gives you energy that you need, and very, very comfy eating, and just makes you feel really good at the end. All right. So I don't know about you guys, but for me, like growing up, I never really loved like any soup-based dishes. It's usually just like fried foods or like pretty dry food. But then I don't know what happened. Like I guess age and adulthood, I guess. And then now I'm just like really obsessed with like soups and ramen and pho and all those things, all those really, really delicious things. And just making me water right now, just thinking about it. I don't know, it's something that has to do with just makes you feel warm inside and just makes you feel really good and just gives you energy that you need. So for today, we're gonna make spicy creamy chicken udon soup. And it's very quick to make. It takes us 15 minutes to make, all right? And it's gonna be very easy. So with this recipe, you can definitely make it your own. You can sub in the mushrooms for whatever you have, like bamboo shoots, or if you want to put in even bell pepper, you can just, sub in with that, all right? So it's totally up to you. All right, so for today, pretty much we have here like salt and pepper, we have pepper paste, hot pepper paste, all right? It's a Korean one, sempyo. We have some chicken broth, we have chicken thighs. So guys, my favorite twist for this recipe is cream of mushroom, all right? This is what's gonna make this soup unbelievably creamy, and you're just gonna go like crazy over it, all right? So I promise you. All right, so sesame oil, olive oil, and ginger, onion, garlic, udon noodles, green onions, and mushrooms, okay? All right, so let's start cooking. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna chop the green onions. All right, so cut the tips off first. All right, guys, so if you can actually invest in a tiny processor like to chop off your veggies, please do so. It's such a big help for you guys, I promise you. I myself like hate to chop things. I know, call me lazy, but I hate it with a passion. So this is perfect for me. It's like a Ninja one. That's the brand name of the food processor. And all you do is you just put it all in there, and it just like, minces for you, chops for you, and it does the job really quickly. I myself don't want to spend, like 10, 15 minutes just chopping veggies. You're just preparing for stuff, right? So like that's your prep time. If you can reduce that for 2 minutes, why not, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the onion first, all right? Just chop it into like just big cubes like this, okay? All right, so put that in there, and then my ginger as well. Just ginger though, do it like a bit, like tiny ones. Almost cut my hand there, guys, so it's a sign, guys. So get your processor, okay? It'll save you so much time, all right? Okay, ginger and the garlic. So just put everything in here, and then literally done. That literally took like less than 5 seconds. Like literally. So Told you guys. So it literally saves you time, and it's gonna make you even actually cook more all the time. Or if you actually want to, make like dips and soup, it's a really, really great investment, guys. I'm telling you. Okay, so that's done. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That literally took like less than 5 seconds. Just opening up the noodles as well. Okay. I'm just gonna run cold water onto the noodles, all right? So I just ran the udon noodles under cold water. It's on a strainer as well, okay? Just let that kind of relax there. And then for my last prep, I do the chicken. So this is skinless, boneless chicken thigh. I'm just gonna cut it into 3 different slices, okay? I think that's a good bite size. All right, let's wash our hands. So that was such an easy prep, guys. Literally took me a few minutes. Now let's start cooking, all right? Okay, guys, we'll do like high heat, all right? Let's do olive oil. The garlic, onion, and ginger mixture, okay? Okay, chicken. All right. Hot pepper paste. I'm using this one. All right. And it all depends on how much spicy you guys want it. I'm gonna have I like mine very spicy, so I'm gonna have 2 teaspoons, okay? Then you can just lower the to medium heat now. Mushroom. Cream of mushroom. Like this, and your chicken broth. Get all that in. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, now you can put it back to high heat now. Okay, and it's almost done. Some salt. Okay. And some pepper. Now that it's boiling, you can just add your noodles. So I just add my noodles. Okay. And then I just turn off the stove. Just make sure they separate. The noodles are pretty much cooked, so it just takes like 1 to 3 minutes to really just have that final cook to it. All right, and then I just move it out, okay? And move it out. It's better if you move it to a non-hot area, because if you leave it on the hot area that you were using before, it's still gonna keep cooking. The noodles are gonna overcook, okay? Wow, that looks so good, guys. It's creamy, spicy, and it's chicken udon soup. It's yummy mushroom, chewy udon noodles, that savory chicken thighs. Oh my god. Oh, look at that broth. It's so creamy, spicy. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh wow, look. So creamy, spicy. Got some chicken and mushroom. And some udon. Okay, we're gonna put some green onions. Tiny bit of sesame oil. And if you still want some kick to it, you can add a tiny bit of chili oil as well, if you want. Chili oil, all right. All right, everyone, here's the final dish. My spicy, creamy chicken udon soup. All right, so moment of truth. All right, let's mix it around. Wow. That's so creamy, spicy. Mushrooms, ginger. Making a mess. Oh, green onions. The ginger has that kick to it. The garlic. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wow. It's like a hug in a bowl to your heart, like this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. I'm just starting here on YouTube. I'm just trying to figure things out. Don't know what works, what doesn't. But I'm just here to have fun. I'd love to hear from you guys. So feel free to reach out. Remember, if I can savor it, so can you. All right, so stay warm. Please take care of yourself, and we'll savor later together. All right, okay, see you guys.